Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Pine Level local and long distance movers near me. Are you ready to move and in need of a cheap Pine Level moving company? 3 Movers offers complete local and long distance moving services to make things super easy for you. Our team of movers will help you with any type of move, whether you're moving your dorm room, home, or even your business. We can make it easier. Our long distance moving services include plenty of choices to customize your move, such as packing services. No need to worry about the packing or the unpacking. You can hire us to handle it all for you. Moving supplies. With our high-quality moving supplies, all your precious items are protected throughout transit. An on-time move. Our professional movers show up at the agreed-upon time. We never delay you on moving day. Upfront pricing. A quote from us gives you transparent pricing you can count on for your budget. Licensed and insured. All your belongings will be handled with care and well protected with us. You can relocate one state over or all the way across the country with our help. We know how to perform any long-distance move for you. Our team will ensure you get to where you need to go without all the hassle or the stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pine Level moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.